Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to Hello8. Hello8 is an AI powered tool which enables you to translate your video into 29 plus languages. These languages cover the globe from end to end, and through this you can reach billions of viewers across the globe because not everyone speaks English. This tool covers languages like Hindi, English, Spanish, German, Dutch, Tamil, Romanian, Czech, Filipino, Croatian, Greek, Ukrainian, Indonesian, Mandarin, Turkish, and the list goes on and on and on. The list even includes some of the obscure ones. So, the outreach of this tool is really awesome. Let's see how this tool works. First, sign up with your email account for a trial version, which I would highly suggest you do. Once you log in, you'll be presented with this screen. You can either try out with this sample video which they have given on this dashboard, or you can try out with a new video. On the top right, you can see that we still have 180 seconds or 3 minutes. Now, this is quite generous because I'm sure that this even this 180 second, this costs them quite a lot of money because it's not cheap to translate these videos. You can also clone your voice. And the way it works is quite simple. You upload your video, you select your target languages out of those 29 languages available, you proofread your translated text, and then if there are multiple speakers, you can select the voice for those speakers, and then you get your video translated in a jiffy. So let's start. Let me translate new video. Let's click on it. Now, what I have done is I have created a short video introducing my own channel. So that is what I'm going to upload here. So first let's give it a title. I'll just say AI channel intro, and then maybe I'll just say it through detect. So I'm just going to click on this plus button, and I'm going to select that video from my local system. That is an MP4 format video selected. It is very I think 15-second video. Now maybe I'll just select it English, or it can detect it too and does it quite nicely. Target language, let's which language should I select? Maybe I'll go with Hindi. Where is Hindi? And then click on next, and you can, by the way, look at this host of languages like Slovak is there, Croatian is there, Korean is Danish, a lot of good languages. I mean, all of the languages are good, but a lot of well-known languages are there, and it covers the globe. I couldn't see any African language. I think that's missing. They should include some of the African language. I guess Arabic is spoken in some part of Africa, but would be good to have some native African languages. Anyway, still good enough. I'm sure it is evolving. Let's click on next, and it is uploading the file, as you can see on the progress bar in the at the bottom. And I will let it run. I just want to show you the speed of this tool because that also makes a difference. So upload is done, and now let's do the proofread. It is doing the speech recognition on the left. Multi-speaker, no, it is just my own voice. Transcription in original language, that is good. And then text translation, maybe it is doing it in Hindi. Should be interesting. Video encoding and analysis. Speech recognition. Okay, so it is just reiterating it through that, which is good. Let's wait for it to come back. There you go. So you can see that within two minutes, I guess it was able to do it. Now it has done the transcription. On the left hand side is the original one, and on the right there is a Hindi text. I don't know, I really don't understand the written script of Hindi, so I'm not sure if it is correct or not. If you are a native Hindi speaker and you know what that is, please advise us if this translation is correct or not. We could even use the Google Translate. So, but I would let you tell me. Okay, now on the right hand side, you can see that it has produced the original one, and then you can choose the voices. So if I click on the voices, you can add the speaker, or you can use any one of these. So maybe because I have spoken it in my own voice, I'll just try to see if it able to do the Matilda one or not. Yeah, okay, that is good. I'll just say okay. Did it select? Okay, I'll try again. And you can create a new voice clone too. Maybe I will try to create my own. Let's click here. I'll just say Fahad. Fahad here. Gender is male, and then create. And then you can click on translate video here, and you can read it says the ready to dub your voice. The voices in your video will be translated based on the text in the table. Let's go, let's dub it. There you go. So dubbing is in progress. Let's wait for it to finish. So you can see that the dubbing is ready now. Let's click again on this one. See what it has done. Let me play it.
नमस्ते, ये एक नमूना वीडियो है जो मेरे चैनल का परिचय देता है जो कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता के बारे में है। बादल, डेवऑप्स और डेटाबेस का एकमात्र उद्देश्य इस चैनल पर यह सीखने की यात्रा साझा करना है। धन्यवाद।
Wow, I think I know Hindi a little bit, but I think that was spot on. This was a real classical Hindi. It was not like a street Hindi. It really used some of the really dense words, but pretty cool, I would should say. So very impressed by it, by the way. You can retranslate it. So let's click on retranslate it, and then you can select any other language, I believe, or you can create a new one. I'm not sure if so retranslate mean it would do the same. You could download it, you can add lip sync. Now, what about if I want to edit it and want to use in any other language? I think I would need to do a new translation, I guess. So let's quickly do a new translation. Click here and AI John, and this time I'll detect the language, and for the this one I am going to go with maybe which one? Let's go with Spanish. Let me upload the same video which I did, and I will click on next. I will see if it is able to detect the language. Let's wait for it to upload. There you go. Now it has uploaded it. It has generated the transcription. Now let's select the language. I'm just going to go with this one. Maybe I will say, what is this language?
A man sees in the world.
Okay, let's go with Freya this time. So I'm going to delete the rest of it. Can I do it or no? Let's see, delete. I just want to keep the rest of it, like not letting me delete here. Or I'll just add speaker. I'll say this female. That's it. And I'll go with Freya. That is cool. And let's try out with Freya's voice. It should be interesting because, of course, my voice is a male one and I'm trying to translate it into Spanish in the female voice. Let's see if dubbing works or not. Okay, so dubbing is ready. It didn't take too long, which is good. Let's wait for it to load on the right hand side and let me now play it.
Hola, este es un video de muestra para presentar mi canal sobre inteligencia artificial, Nuba, DevOps y bases de datos. Y el único propósito de este canal es compartir este viaje de aprendizaje juntos. Gracias.
Okay, I think I was able to identify few words of Spanish there, like hola and gracias and intelligence artificial. But I believe that was a quite spot on translation. If you are a Spanish speaker or understand Spanish, please confirm that that dubbing, I think it was spot on. Anyway, awesome tool, really like it. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it, let me know what do you think. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.